Hello, my friend. It's the Crypto Lunatic, the channel for crypto newbies hunting for hidden gems before they pump. So today I have asked an array of AI engines to give me these hidden gems that no one's talking about that are currently unpumped, that have massive potential. So I've gone through them all. I went into Perplexity, I went into Grok, I went into ChatGPT, and they've given me a whole different array of different projects. But one sort of stood out for me that this looks interesting. This looks interesting because we're in the realm of AI agents. Now, what are AI agents? So, AI agents are the capacity for you to create an automated personal assistant, and they can be programmed or set for different sectors, for different things. You can have a complete AI personal assistant at this stage in the game. And AI agent platforms allow you to go in to create your own AI agent, and in some cases, then to post that on there and even sell it. So you now have an opportunity for tech geeks to go in to create some super AI agent and earn money from it. And this is the technology that we're moving into. This is the realm that we're moving into. And whether you're into AI agents or not, this is really exciting technology. Who will win? Who will be the front runner? Which one will win the game? Nobody really knows, but there are a lot. There is increasing competition in here, but for some reason, ChatGPT has put Spectral on my radar today. So let's have a little look. And this is just base level research. It's not financial advice. I'm not paid by Spectral, and I do not own it. So this review is completely neutral for you. And it's really designed to help you to start finding these for yourself so that you could start uh, doing your own research, doing your own scouting, so that you're not waiting for big influencers to talk about this and then the price pumps and you miss the entry point. So, with all of this in mind, my friend, join me on a little journey. So, I was asking for little known crypto innovations that could quietly transform the sector, each currently flying under the radar in both search, trends, and media coverage. So, this is what I'm looking for. Now, here's a list, just in case you want to go in and research these other projects. Node Go AI, there's Spectral, it came up, AI agents on chain. Pocket Network, you may want to look into that. GNU Tala, feeless real world micropayments. That sounds interesting. That could be worth a review. And Alora by Upshot, a decentralized ZKML AI network. Now, if that means anything to you, well done. But again, you'll see that these are little AI projects, tiny little low cap AI projects. So why is it overlooked? It's small cap, it's less than 40 million, overshadowed by bigger AI and crypto names. It's unique tech. Its spectral syntax lets you describe agents in plain language and deploy them across chains via Inferchain. So it's not dependent on working on just one chain. This is really big. Potential impact. It automates DeFi tasks. This is decentralized finance tasks and governance. With smart agents, it lowers the development barrier for complex applications. So it just makes things easier. I mean, even the explanation's probably a little bit complex. And get involved, explore their docs, a stake spec for passive yield. So you can stake it. You can buy these tokens, you can stake it, you can earn interest. So there you go. And you can test, deploy simple agents via Syntax Alpha. So let's go on to their chart. Now, here is the thing. So this was launched round about September 2024 for $6.14. It started trading and it went up to $9.50 there. It went up to $11.71 there. It went up. By November, it hit almost $13, and here it peaked. Back in December last year, this thing was trading at $17. $17 with big volume. Now it's all retraced, the whole market's retraced. Now, what you have to remember is when the market goes up, little coins like this, they do this kind of stuff here. They go from here. What was it here? Look, it was traded one day you wake up, it's trading at $5. And a few days later, it's trading at $17. But when the market goes down, small little altcoins like this get absolutely wrecked, ruined, rinsed. As you can see, we've gone from December 2024 at $17 down to now to 63 cents. So that just shows you how brutal crypto can be and how volatile it is. But we're looking for entry points. And look, this seems to be the lowest point that this thing has been. So let's look a little bit further. Now, the market cap is 888. Now, that's a lucky number in the East. That could be significant. Look at that. If you're into numerology, then maybe this is it. You've probably got most of the Eastern traders looking at this going, this is very lucky, very lucky. 8.88 million market cap. This is in the degen zone, my friends, the degen zone. So we also see the fully diluted market cap is 62 million, 63 million. So back to tokenomics here. We see that the circulating supply, only 14.1% is in circulation. This is not great tokenomics. But I would also say with the price as repressed as this, the danger of big whales or them releasing more tokens right now and dumping is very, very, very low. So it's kind of offset. We go to the website. Let's have a little look. And we see intelligent agents for everyone. Everyone, build your on-chain empire with your personal swarm of AI agents. Now, I haven't explored it any further than this. I will not lie to you, my friends. I mean, it is an AI agent platform. I haven't looked very deep into it. And I've gone onto the X account to see this little degen coin. And I've found 172,000 followers. Now, when I see a coin this low cap with this many followers, the first thing I think is maybe there's a load of bots. So you have to be aware of that. If this is a true number, then it's really impressive. We see a pinned tweet from back at the end of April, but we also see an active account 19 hours ago and 42 people. Now that indicates that it's not bots, because if it was bots, it would be far more. So it tells me that there is some sort of active interest, and this is an active account. Another tweet from 5 days ago was 63. So there are people following this. It is an active social media account, 88 people there. Like this Only Stands studio is here. So there we go. Fair play to them. So we've got an active account there. Now we go to crypto rank. Now, you know, I like looking at crypto rank simply because I go to this section here, fundraising. And I see when did the early investors get in? Now, they're not giving us any data on this money raised back in 2022. But what they are doing is telling us that there was an IEO back in May 2024, and people paid $2.30 for this token. So it's down almost 73%. 73% on the IEO, it's down. So this is massive price suppression. Let's just go back here and look again. It's all about the entry point. Now, is this project going to be super successful? I really don't know. That's the truth. I've not done enough research on this video to know. But what I can say for certain is that this is a very interesting looking price if you're looking to get in and if you're looking to play the degen game. If you're looking to play it, at 62 cents, this looks like a potential good entry point. And that is it, my friends. That is it. So if I was to invest in Spectral, I would want to do more research than this. This is very base level, very base level. But this is just to show you how easy it is to find AI gems when you put the right prompts in AI engines. What better to search for AI gems than AI engines? Of course, we know that this can be flawed. We know that it is filled with landmines trying to find crypto low cap gems, especially in the degen zone. And this is the sub 10 million market cap zone. This is a degen play, super high risk. Do your own research, my friends, and do your own scouting. That's what this is about. And if you want more updates of these little low cap gems that you might want to look into, of random news and views in the crypto market that's a little bit quirky, then do like and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like another video from me, then you will find that just there.